Hi everyone, it's Neil. Welcome to my Tesla, and today I have this thing here. I don't know what it's called. Can't think of what you would call it. But what it does is, if you have a Tesla Model, wow, that's so deep. You have this deep cavity right there on the side for the Tesla Model Y. I'm guessing 3 has the same thing. And this thing here kind of blocks it, so if you have stuff in your trunk, it won't fall in there. So let's try it, see how it goes. Doesn't even say a model number or anything on it. I'm gonna put a link to it in the description so you guys can pick one up for yourselves. It was just something I got on Amazon. So we're gonna give this thing a try, see how it works. I guess it's just one of them. Oh, this must be the other one here. Maybe this is, it's probably a 2-pack. I'm just an idiot. Okay, so let's try it here. So it goes. I don't know if it really makes a difference which one is which, but I'll pick it up here. I'll take this thing out of the way to put it up. And put it like there, I guess. It's so sticky. I guess it just goes like that. And like that. Yeah, I guess that's it. And then close it up. And there you go. It keeps things from falling over into there. Simple and useful. I like it. Thumbs up. I'll put a link to it in the description so you can pick one up for yourselves. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other cool stuff soon.